So, computer vision, this is a survey by Embedded Vision Summit Group, Edge AI. So they were showing what the computer vision market growth is. So this is just one of the surveys. So this is just part of the traditional computer vision, market growth. And you can see there's a lot of room to grow for vendors in this area. And as long as cameras and visual data is available, CV will still remain a big part, right? So, and what is OpenVX? OpenVX is one of the royalty-free API standards, and is designed to be cross-platform acceleration. And this standard is from the Khronos group, and it is a graph-based abstraction, and most importantly, portable and efficient vision processing. So this is where the OpenVX layer is. So if you see, OpenVX sits right above the processing hardware and the application. So OpenVX provides the graph engine, but also the low-level APIs. So you could implement OpenVX in C, C++, or you could have backends with OpenCL, HIP, CUDA, whatever underneath kernel that interface with the hardware. And that's where the OpenVX layer sits. And in terms of the graph framework, which we provide, it basically gives you the advantage as the end user who uses OpenVX, right? So the graph framework gives you some advantages because the vendors who implement know the hardware really well. So when you write your top-level application using our framework, what happens is we can fuse the nodes, right? If there are nodes that could be fused, we could improve memory footprint by using virtual buffers in between your nodes, because the whole application for us is a graph, and the vendors in the backend, we optimize those graphs when you deploy. And then the deployment can be across many hardware, and it could be across multiple OS, so your application still remains the same. And I'll show you why this is beneficial.